guys, good morning. I hope you guys are having a blessed day and have a blessed week. So it's currently Wednesday. Oh guys, it's Tuesday. It is Tuesday. But anyway, yeah, it's currently Tuesday. I have a 9 a.m. It's currently like 9:15. I need to start getting ready. I actually had an 8:30. Was it 8:30? No. Yeah, I had a class. I'm currently supposed to be in class. But I didn't know. Like I looked at my timetable and then I did not see that class. But like clearly it was my eyes because people are in class and they saw that there was a class like, happening for today at like 8. So I'm missing that class. It is what it is. Yeah, but like imagine my shock when I woke up and my friend is texting me on some, please let me know when he gets there. And I'm like, who gets there? Because it's currently 9 a.m. We only have 11 a.m. today. So like, who are you talking about? And she's like, no, we have class now. And I'm like, hell no. Wow. So imagine my surprise. But anyway, even if I found out earlier, I don't think I would have gone. Like, to be honest, let me just be honest. I slept at 3 a.m. I was not going to be able to wake up anyway, so. I have about 10 minutes to get ready. It's so hot, like my skin here is melting. But yeah, I have about 10 minutes to get ready. I think I'm going to wear a head wrap today. Hopefully it isn't too overstimulating because it is hot. I just finished like a cardiology unit. We finished the PBLs, but yeah, and some of the lectures. And how did I find cardiology? I did not like that unit. I think the reason why, one of the main reasons I did not like it, I just had a lousy tutor. I did not like my tutor. She made everything so difficult for us. She's just a difficult person. So I did not enjoy that. Also, besides that, it's just a bulky unit. It's so bulky. You know what? I didn't think anything could be worse than my first semester, last semester. And you know what? We're almost a month into school and no, this takes the cake. It's so bulky. It's so bulky, Sana. And yeah, no. Yeah. Because we had 6 PBLs and 6 PBLs. Usually we have 4 or max 5. So yeah, also just the content was heavy and there was just a lot more to learn and a lot more to grasp. So I didn't find it as enjoyable as some of the classes that I had previously, last semester. And it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So yeah, I don't know if I should wear it like this head wrap, or it's fine. I think I'll just keep it like this. Anyway, I'm just wearing silver today. What's new? I just like wearing silver with dark colors. That's just me. So yeah, I have a class at 11. I already mentioned that, but I didn't mention what it is. It's practical cardiology practical. So I think we're going to be learning how, she's gonna be going over some auscultation, patient doctor relationship, but more so cardiology centered. Yeah, I'm just going to wear this. My sister got this for me for Valentine's. I've been playing around with my lip combo lately. I recently got these 2 products. This is more of a pinkish color and this is more red, so I'm just going to use this one for today. Yeah, it's so hot. Can I go officer? It's on my. Okay guys, how did you guys feel about your first cardiac practical auscultation?
It was really nice, but palpating the ribs is so hard. It's so hard, but I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, I just want to say something. It's an honor being in the vlog for once in a year, basically. It's been forever. So thanks for that, B. Shout out to you, girl. But yeah, I think it was kind of okay. The heart auscultation and everything.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
But it was so long.
There's two of my doctors. This one and that one is my two doctors, and everything is mahala. I don't pay anything. Period.
I quickly want to go to the market and get like cabbage because I don't cook like on Sunday, so I need to cook today because I can do you so give it like cabbage and then yeah, I'll go home after that. Okay, now that I've changed, I've been home for like 30 minutes. I'm just quickly going to start cooking. I want to start cooking early mainly because I have quite a lot of like schoolwork to do, so I want to quickly do that, and I want to sleep early. I could use a nap though, like I really could use a nap, but it is what it is. Let's start cooking. Currently 13 past 6. I think I'm quickly going to go to the shops. I just woke up. If it were up to me, I'd have slept for another hour because I slept at 5. So I quickly want to get like an energy drink or something. I'm actually really tired. So I'm quickly going to get that. Oh, by the way, the fried rice was actually so nice. It was like I actually really enjoyed it. I was pleasantly surprised by the way it tasted. But yeah, let's quickly get that done. Okay, so I'm currently going to look at histopathology, and then after that maybe genomics. I just need to summarize a lecture from last week because we have that tomorrow, so I don't want to like be behind with anything. histology like maybe 30 minutes ago or something. I'm now gonna start genomics. Hopefully it takes like an hour. I do want to sleep before 12, so if I do, that would be awesome. So I'm just going to start that now, and then if I have time, I'll start my PBL summary. I finished the 4th one. I just need to finish the 5th and the 6th. I think I'll probably finish those during the weekend, to be honest, but I just want to start. Okay guys, it's currently like 10:30. I just want to go to the gym. I have a class at like 4 or 2 o'clock, but yeah, I have one class for the day and it is online. So I just quickly want to go to the gym, get back, and then give Ali and then have my class. But yeah, let's go.
That means you're extra.
30 minutes since I've been back from the gym. I am having the food I had last night. Lovely. It's a bit hot. And then I'm having the Monster. Yeah, I didn't finish the drink, so I just transferred some of it into this flask. So yeah, that's my lunch. And yeah, then I'm going to take a shower and then give Ali. Okay guys, so I need to stop now summarizing my PBL because my class actually starts in 5 minutes. While that class is happening, I'm just going to take the opportunity to do my laundry. This class is very I get very sleepy during this class, so this is just a way for me to, you know, give it a week. So company get to something productive. So that's what I'm going to do. The last time I had this class, I started cleaning as I was listening to the class, and it's actually better because, you know, I'm doing something productive, I'm listening at the same time. Beautiful. But yeah, I get very distracted in this class, so and it counts quite a lot actually for my like end of semester mark. So yeah. My class ended like about an hour ago, 5:30. So I just ended up making like dinner. Let me show you guys what I made. This is my dinner. So I have tuna wraps. Usually I make egg wraps, but because I ate eggs basically this morning, because I'm like the egg fried rice and stuff, so I was like, okay, let me use a different protein. So I have tuna, I have cucumber, I have olives in here, cheese, and I did have some leftover cabbage that I didn't add into the rice. I didn't add all of it to the rice, so there's a little bit left over, so I just added a little bit of that and cheese. And then I have fries. So this is my first time I made these. If they're really good, I'll probably make these again, but yeah, it'll be an alternative instead of having like eggs. But yeah, so I'm just going to eat, and then maybe around 7 or so I'm probably going to start working again. I don't know if I'll film that because it's a bit repetitive. I'm just continuing my PBL summary, and it might take me like the whole night because, like I said, it takes me quite some time to summarize. So yeah, I might not film that. So this might be the last clip for today. But yeah. Hi, good morning, guys. So it's currently like 10, maybe 10, 5 past 10. But yeah, it is 10. I have a 4 a.m. lecture. I got up past 4 specifically. Well, it's not even a lecture, it's like a PBL. It's a PBL session. We're doing a brainstorming. So yeah, but I'm just, getting ready now because I'm sure at 10 4 you're getting ready, like where you going? I'm actually going to a cafe. I'm going to study at a cafe go like near my campus, and I'll be studying there until my class begins, just for me to be productive. Initially I wanted to go to the gym like earlier on, but then I would have gotten to the place way later. So I'm like, no, it's fine, man. I'll just go to the gym another day, maybe Friday. So yeah, I didn't end up finishing my PBL yesterday. I didn't finish summarizing it, so I still need to do that. I really thought that I would finish because, to be fair, I spent like 5 hours doing it. So yeah, sorry that I assumed that I'd be done. But yo guys, for this section the PBLs are really draining, but it is what it is. I'm just happy to move on to the next the next unit. So yeah, I'm just happy about that because we're starting a new unit today, so I'm looking forward to that. Mainly not because I'm interested in the topic per se, but just because I'm done with this one. So yeah, and yeah, like I didn't finish yesterday, so I'm just planning to finish that today. This is the last time I'll be summarizing this PBL. Yo, I get like I'm going to let this. Okay, I am done getting ready. Get lots of my hair, no? I am currently on campus. I got myself a sandwich, a butter chicken sandwich. Yeah, because I'm hungry. I just had that mocha latte and the cookie like earlier on, but yeah, I'm hungry now, so I'm just going to have this, and then maybe I'll summarize my genomics because yesterday we had genomics and I didn't summarize that, so I'll probably do that. Because I have like an hour and 15 minutes until my PBL begins, so I think I'll do that. But yeah, first package and then yeah.
past 2 to 3 years. Since last year, he suffers from episodes of